afternoon everyone, welcome back with me Krishna again on this channel. Okay, so this time I'm here in Sanur area and I would like to show you the situations here at the beach, and I will walk maybe here along this Sagara beach, and also later I'll continue to Sanur beach. Let's see the situations of the cafes or restaurants. Probably it will be have what you call that, for your ideas where to go for your dinner or lunch if you stay around in Sanur. So let's go and see together. And anyway, as you can see, there are a lot of people what you call that, enjoying their time here by the beach. Look at this. It's a bit scary actually, yeah, to walk, because there are so many what you call the electric cycle like this. And here in the front, I forgot the name of the hotel, but it looks closed. As you can see, the pool is empty and also it was blocked, so no one can enter this area, I mean this hotel area. And here on the right side, this is the new place for the local Warung. Before it was at the beach, but now they have their own place. This is very good, yeah. Like here, look at that. So you can sit here and enjoy Indonesian food maybe, or just cup noodle, drinks and etc. And if you want to rent bicycle, you can rent it here. See, they have the number. Pak, berapa satu yang ini? Untuk sewa yang
sewanya
15.000. Oh, yang elektrik?
Elektrik ada yang 40, ada yang 50.
Oh gitu. 1 jam.
1 jam. Yang ini 20.000.
Oh, itu beda ya?
Udah lebih besar ya.
Oh,
Speednya 5.
oh gitu. So just for your information, the regular one like this bicycle only 15,000 rupiah per hour. But this one they have new bike ya. Bagus ya Pak ya, baru ya.
Badannya besar, ya bannya besar.
Oh, see. So 20,000 per hour ya.
Ya.
I see. So this one is 40,000 per hour. So you can choose which one you like. If you don't want to paddle, you can just rent here. Okay Pak, makasih Pak. And they have the number as well. Here, you can contact them. Okay, so let's continue. Here is the Sagara beach, or Pantai Sagara. As you can see, this is the situations, and later or soon we will see a lot of cafes and restaurants where you can have your dinner. But however, let's see the situations at the beach before we continue to go to the cafes or restaurants. Look at this. There are so many people here. The local people, they like to come to the beach and enjoy their time. And here in the front, this is the seaside bar, I think, or Sagara seaside. And now they have live music there, which is good. And there are some people here. Pak, can I see the menu, Pak?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's see the menu. What they have. Sagara, they have breakfast, herb omelette, seaside order. Can you see the menu? Hopefully you can see, yeah. Appetizer, soup, salad, and this is the Indonesian food. And they have seafood. What is this? Meat recommendation. Steak pork rib, 120, and many more. Pizza, pasta, sandwiches, and I have the drink list here. Nasi Pak. So, what do you think about this place? I think it's a nice place, yeah? Okay, so let's continue. Anyway, here at the back, they have also what you call this, Sagara Playland. It's nice. So if you bring your kids, you can go there. And that is some shops, but they are closing because now it's around 6:30 already, I think. Yeah. You been to these shops before? Okay, so let's continue and let's keep walking. This is also another nice place. I forgot the name. It's bird something. So they have nice design. And good to sit by the beach. So that is their place. You can sit here by the beach, and normally or sometimes they have DJ music there, but today I don't see them. See, they have beachside brunch every Sunday. Food 365k per person, and beverages 430. Can you see? This. Okay, so let's continue. So I think this is also a nice place, but to be honest to you, I never eat here or drink here, so I don't know what you call that. Their food is nice or not, but the place is nice. And here is the Tutsi Bar and Restaurant. Simply the best, they say. That's the place, and they have also their place here. It's a nice place as well. Really, look at that. You can sit and enjoy the view of the beach as well. Look at this. Look nice, eh? But that is not the real food. It's just what you call it, just the display. Yeah? It's a nice place as well. So we are at Sindu Beach now. Anyway, Sagara Beach and Sindu Beach, they are very close to each other. Just 5 minutes from Sagara Beach walk and you will arrive here at Sindu Beach. And here in front of us, as you can see, a lot of local people. They like to spend their time by the beach. And if you want to try street food or local food like grilled corn, they have a lot of food stall or people selling food. And here is satay or pork satay. But this time I will not try any street food because I just had food earlier, so I just want to walk around and let's see. And this is them turtle conservation here at Sindu Beach. Let's see. I think I came here as well in my previous video, but this time let's go and see them again. Look at these, it's very big. And here also there are 4 of them, and this is very big. I don't know how old is this, yeah? Maybe very old already. Yeah. It's smaller. And these are the babies. Pak, yang gede nih berapa tahun nih, Pak? 9 tahun nih. Hey, These are the babies. I asked the gentleman, the earlier that we saw, it is 9 years old. Here's some more. And this one also. Kalau Niki berapa tahun, Pak?
2,5 tahun.
Oh, 2,5 tahun. Niko makanannya ikan Niko nih.
Dan
Berapa kali ini makannya? Setiap hari?
iya, 1 hari 2 hari. Habis
So.
makan ganti air lagi. Repot kubur-kubur. Ganti airnya sering.
So he feed turtles with that fish twice a day. Look at that. They are very cute, isn't it? Ini ada ini, apa namanya, biasanya ada rilis bayi-bayinya itu ya? Kapan biasanya ada tuh, Pak?
Setiap hari ada.
Setiap hari? Jam berapa kira-kira?
Tergantung ini dia. Ada kita di sini privat rilis.
Oh gitu?
Keluarga mereka di sini 4 orang, ingin lepas 4 ekor bisa.
Tapi bayar?
Ya donasi.
Donasi?
Donasi. Itu perawatan.
Berapa?
50.000 per ekor.
50.000 per ekor. Okay, so if you want to release the baby turtle, they have a donation. One baby is about 50,000 rupiah, and you can just come directly, and you can release them to the ocean. And let's do donation to help them. You can put your donation here. Okay, so that was the turtle conservation here at Sanur Beach. Okay, so let's go and walk a little bit more and let's see the situations here. And look at this. These are the local warung here. And you can sit by the beach and order food from the local warung or drinks. It is nice concept anyway, so hopefully people, how to say it, they can keep the beach clean, because I still can see some plastics there, so it's really sad to see it actually. And this is part of the, I forgot the name of this hotel. Yeah, I've been to this hotel before. It's Ina Sindu, I think the name of the hotel. Of course, you can enjoy your time here, and they have their area where you can sit by the beach. Okay, so let's continue. And in front of us, there are some cafes as well. Nice cafes, I think. And here is soul of the beach. They have nice music, and they have nice place. But you can see it here. And you can see it here. As you can see, there are some people there, which is good. And here is Kayu Manis. Same concept actually. I mean, most of them place or the seat or the chairs by the beach. You can enjoy your time. You can have your dinner and enjoy the view of the beach. And I think last time I have a request to see this what you call that shops around here. I don't know what's the name of the shop, so I just walk around and let's see what they have. But probably they have the same thing, I think. Handicrafts, clothes, dresses, rattan bags. Look at this. This is Sanur Beach Market. Look at that. So if you love shopping, it's very long, way back there. So you can shop a lot here. There are a lot of options for you. Anyway, if you keep walking straight, you will see a lot more cafes. Like here in front of us, this is the Sand Beach Cafes, and also I forget the name, the other cafes. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Sanur. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.